Take a look at this channel. It creates very simple top 10 videos, and it is gaining millions of views and making thousands of dollars in the process. In this video, I will show you how you can create similar videos in 5 minutes with a click of a button and start gaining millions of views and thousands of subscribers just like this channel by using the power of AI. First, you need to go to ai.invideo.io. I will leave a link in the description below. In this box, we type the prompt that will create our video. Here you need to specify a lot of things, like length, style, voice, and many more, so the video turns out as good as it can. But don't worry, I am not going to leave you hanging. I already have a made template prompt that has the important information. We simply paste it right here. Now let me fill in the information we want. The only thing we have to do is to change the words inside the parenthesis with the results that we want. I will leave this template as a pinned comment below, and the only thing I ask for you in return is to comment anything down below because it really helps with the algorithm. If you don't want to use the template, you can also use the YouTube explainer, which is a built-in feature InVideo has that also helps you create a better prompt. You simply go to Select Workflow and click on YouTube explainer and fill in the information from here. But I would strongly advise you to preferably use this template that I have made for you because it goes more in depth on the details of the video and has a better structure than InVideo's explainer, giving you a better final result. But you can choose either one that you want. After you are done with the prompt, you simply come right here and click on Generate Video. And now we wait a little bit until our video is finished generating. Here we have some extra options to select, so our video turns out exactly as we want it. We can select the audience, the look and feel, and the platform our video will be created for. After we select the ones we want, we click on Continue, and we wait until our video is done generating. I will be back with you once that is done. And boom. As you can see, we have a fully unique YouTube video very similar to the channel I showed you before. Don't believe me, let's play it so you can see for yourself.
Have you ever wondered where you can live a good life without breaking the bank? An intriguing question, isn't it? Well, in today's world, the cost of living varies drastically from place to place. The expenses that you incur in your daily life, housing, food, transportation, healthcare, and many more, collectively constitute the cost of living. The importance of understanding this concept cannot be overstated. It's not just about the money you earn.
Honestly, this looks great, and we just created it in literally seconds. But let's say you don't like the first scene of the video. No problem. You can change it. You simply come right here and click on Edit. Now we select the scene you want to change. For me, it will be the first scene. Also, the letters of the scene get highlighted, and you come down here and search for the new scene you want. I will search for a town scene. And look at this one, it looks great. So I will choose Replace and click on Apply. And now, if we play the video again, you will see that the scene changes to the one that we selected.
Have you ever wondered where you can live a good life without breaking the bank? An intriguing.
Now let's say you don't like a part of the video script and you want to change it. You again click on Edit. And in the top right corner you select Edit Script. And here you can see the script of your whole video. And also, it is categorized in chapters. You can see the chapter, The Quest for Affordable Living, chapter number 10, and scrolling all the way down to the chapter conclusion and recap. Now let's say, I don't like the phrase without breaking the bank. I simply come right here, delete the part I don't like, and type, without spending a lot of money. And click on Apply Changes. And just like that, the video script is changed. Finally, I also have the option to prompt edit the video from this box right here. Meaning me giving a prompt and the AI doing all the editing for me. I want more cuts on the first 30 seconds of the video, because it is the most important part of the video where you hook your viewers' attention to make them watch the full video. So I will type, make more cuts in the first 30 seconds of the video. Make cuts every 4 to 5 seconds. And click on Generate. Okay, now let's play the video and see
how much you get to save. High-income places might also have high living costs, leaving less for you. So, an ideal scenario, living comfortably without emptying your pockets. Today, we're exploring the cheapest countries to live in. Ready? Let's go. Starting off our countdown at number.
Honestly, this is way too good to be true. It did exactly what I asked for. Now, if for some reason you aren't satisfied with the video, and you want to change it or regenerate it entirely. You simply come right here and click on the regenerate option, and again on the top left corner, click on regenerate. You choose what you want to change, for example, the audience from budget travelers to economist, and the look and feel from minimalist modern to professional. But remember to leave the platform to YouTube. Or you can even change the prompt that you gave in the start by clicking here and changing what you want. And then click on generate. I personally don't want to do that because I am very satisfied with the video that I already have, and I want to export it. I simply come right here and click on export and export video. Here you select the resolution, and you can select to remove watermarks and InVideo's branding. But in order to do that, you need upgrade to a paid plan, which starts at $20 a month, which, if you are serious about YouTube, is a very good investment. But if you don't want to do that, you can just export it with watermarks. So we select the options we want and click on continue. Now we wait as our video is rendering, so we can download it. In the rare case your video has any copyright issues, InVideo also has a specific button called Copyright Assistance. This button is made to help you remove any copyright issues you might have. The only thing you have to do is click it, and InVideo's team will help you resolve the issue. Now that our video is done rendering, we simply download it and upload it to YouTube. We can ask ChatGPT for a good fitting description for our video. Then we simply copy and paste it here. Then we fill in all the needed information and click on publish. Now the only thing we have to do is wait while our video starts getting views and making us money passively. But that's only one way you can make money on YouTube using AI. You also can make a lot of money with YouTube Shorts. If you want to learn how you can create YouTube Shorts in seconds, only using AI, make sure to subscribe and click on this video.